going on, everybody? Back again today with another quick review. Today we're going to go over the 9-piece heavy auto body repair kit. This is perfect for any dents that you have in your car. However, this is a full kit. It comes with 9 different pieces, and the best part about it is you can use it for obviously if you're a mechanic or any auto body repair, or even if you're just at home and you want to fix some dents. Let's go ahead and you can see the quality on this is actually very, very good. All these pieces are high quality. They're nice and heavy. You have a universal dolly, heel dolly. You have a toe dolly even, which is really, really nice. You have a light slap spoon, a general purpose spoon, a pick and finish hammer, a heavy shrinking hammer, a heat shrinking hammer, and a straight pin hammer. Again, all this is made very well, comes in a really nice case. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and take this outside on one of my cars. I have a small dent. I wanna see how it works, and we'll go from there. Hey y'all, I'm back again here. So we are outside at my car, and on the door, it was probably from a shopping cart, but you can see it is dented here. So what I'm gonna do is grab the product and see if we can get this dent out. So I'm gonna use the tiny hammer first, see if we can just flatten this out, and then go from there. As you can see already, it's already flattening out pretty well. Wow, that's really good. Now I'm just gonna grab this flattener. Wow, these products are really made well. You can see how perfectly now, look how perfectly that's flat. Highly recommend these products, y'all. Go ahead and check them out. Thanks.